Well, there's a look at Millington arriving in Ford Field this morning, bringing half of Tuscola County with them as well. Their first appearance in the state final. Old hat for Monroe St. Mary Catholic Central, but nonetheless always exciting when they can make that trek up 75 to beautiful Ford Field. Turbush back to pass on this third down. Pressure comes up the middle. Intercepted. A tip drill to himself and picked off at the 18-yard line. Second, and we'll call it 5.5. Turbush shotgun formation. Hands it off. Once again, trying the left side. Space out there. 10, 5, touchdown. Touchdown. Dallas Walsh, the senior, wearing number 5.
Millington touchdown.
I formation again. Haven't seen a lot of this, but on this drive we have. We've seen a lot of this guy. Walsh, he's 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, 5, touchdown. Touchdown. Millington, that's Landon Russell. Turbush looking over that defense. Fakes the jet, under pressure, steps up, still looking, now firing into the end zone. Caught! Touchdown! Millington, Brevin Hendricks. Congratulations must go out to the Millington Cardinals, your 2024 Division 7 champions.